Hello, welcome to our video demo of the application Leading Universities in Data Science with their top faculty and publications. In this demo, we'll explore the features and functionalities of our dashboard designed to provide insights into top universities, faculty members, and their contributions to data science. Our application aims to serve academic researchers, university administrators, students, and data science enthusiasts by providing detailed information about leading universities and their top faculty members. Our objectives include displaying top faculty members by citations, visualizing keyword trends, comparing faculty counts across universities, and providing detailed professor information and publication data. The back end of our application utilizes MySQL relational data, MongoDB document data, and Neo4j graph data. Each database is accessed using its respective query language to provide comprehensive and accurate information. So let's go through the dashboard. As you can see here at the top, the first row has the top 5 faculty members in data science ranked by accumulated citations. Each card shows the name and citation count of a faculty member, providing a quick overview of leaders in the field. In the next row, you'll see the top 5 universities by number of faculty and with data science publications. This bar graph compares the 5 top universities. As you can see, the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign is number 1. Over here, to the right, you'll see the top 5 keywords containing data. So, database, the top one is training data, as well as data mining, data structures, big data. Scrolling down, you'll see here trends in keywords containing data. This includes a drop-down that allows you to select any of the keywords that contain the word data. Let's just, for demonstration, look for training data. And you'll see it shows the trends for this keyword in its respective publications. Scrolling down, this provides this next one provides a drop-down. Selecting one of these, like University of Illinois, provides a list of all the data science related publications for this university. If you select one of these, it gets added to the next widget. Let's go ahead and select 2 of these. So this next widget is favorite publications. So these publications are saved into its own database. Each publication can be removed at your option just by clicking the X. If you want to get more information about the professors, the faculty members, you can click the check and they'll appear down here. Ones with most of the images are broken, but there are a few that have images that work. So this widget provides information about the faculty members, including their email address, research interests, and affiliation. Last but not least, we have manual update faculty research interest. So we noticed that most faculty members don't have research interests, although I'm sure that they do. So we created this widget that allows you to manually update them. So let's choose Dan Knights. You can just type in whichever name you want here. And then you can type in their interests. So I'll just put AI and machine learning. So before I click update, you notice here, his current interests are AI, ML, and big data. So if we update this, it says that they is successfully updated. You'll just select and unselect, and you see the data has been successfully updated in the database. So our dashboard is implemented using Dashly or Dash Plotly for our front end, with Dash Bootstrap components for styling. We use pandas for data manipulation, and MySQL connector, PyMongo, and Neo4j libraries for database interactions. We have implemented several advanced database techniques to enhance the functionality and performance. We've added indexing to keyword collection for MongoDB, and the faculty account table. We've added views to create views in MySQL, the simplified data retrieval for universities and UIUC specific queries. We also implemented a materialized view for this top 5 universities, which pre-computes the values, which allows the chart to load significantly faster. We've added constraints, added a unique constraint in Neo4j, and primary key constraints in MySQL to ensure data integrity. We also created a trigger in MySQL to automatically update the number of favorite publications. So thank you for watching our demo. We hope this application serves as a valuable tool for researchers, administrators, and data science enthusiasts. For more information, please refer to the README file, and feel free to reach out with any questions. Thank you very much. Bye.